Okay then, right, so we're ready to go into hypnosis. We'll get started. We're ready to get rid of this useless chronic band of pain that's round your head that causes your jaws to clench. Good.
Yeah.
Good. And you're sitting comfortably, feet on the floor, nice and you can hear my voice.
Okay.
That's good. Okay. So what I'd like you to do is just rub your hands together, get your hands nice and warm, and then just put your hands out nice and far in front of you. Clench your knuckles, give them a good squeeze, close those thumbs over, and then just bend your arms up. Bend your elbows up and just stick your 2 index fingers up. Just they're about an inch apart, that's great. And then just look at that space between your fingers. Then the moment your fingers are just going to pull together as if there's a magnet on each tip. As you do, just allow your eyes to close. Just feel that getting stronger and stronger. And as you sit here, just listening to the sound of my voice, just picture those that are closest to you, those that you love most in the world, and just see their eyes and see their faces and hear them laugh and talk, and just feel that feeling you have for them, all that love that you have for them, and feel the love they have for you, and just feel that getting stronger and stronger and stronger. As that feeling gets stronger and fills your whole body, just feel your hypnosis going up your arms and into your shoulders, over the back of your head and into the top of your forehead. It just washes down through your body. As you feel that feeling getting stronger and stronger, your hands just get heavier and heavier, and they just float down gently back into your lap. And your hands just float down and go into your lap, just feel that hypnosis getting stronger and stronger, taking you deeper and deeper and deeper. Now just, for the rest of our time here together today, every breath you exhale, just feel yourself going deeper and more profoundly into your hypnosis. Just for our time together today, every time you exhale, you'll go deeper, deeper into your hypnosis. That's it. Good. Just take a deep breath. And as you exhale, just go deeper and deeper down into your hypnosis as it gets stronger and it flows and swirls through your body. In a moment, I'm just going to count from 10 down to 1, and with each step you go down, just go deeper and deeper into hypnosis. 10. Begin this beautiful journey into your hypnosis now. 9. Going deeper, doubling your hypnosis with every breath you exhale. 8. Letting go on with each number and each breath, just know that you go deeper into your hypnosis. 7. Going deeper, letting go of the here and now, just doubling down. 6. Drifting and floating and feeling great. 5. Halfway through, going to that place of perfect hypnosis, safety and protection. 4. A place where you can be perfectly relaxed and open to receive guidance and suggestions. 3. Doubling down. 2. Almost there now, and with the next number I say, you will reach that perfect state of complete physical and mental relaxation, feeling totally safe and secure and calm. And 1. And just be there now and go deeper and deeper into your hypnosis. That's it. That's good. And now just allow your hypnosis to grow from the top of your head to the tips of your fingers and all the way down to the tips of your toes. And just go deeper, deeper down into your hypnosis. 10 times, 20, 30, 40, 50 times deeper into your hypnosis. 60, 70 times deeper, 80, 90, 100 times deeper down now. That's good. Just go to that place, that mystical place, that magical place where you can make perfect, positive lifestyle changes. That mystical place, that magical place, that place that's perfect for you. You know where that place is. Just go there now and feel your hypnosis grow as you make positive, perfect lifestyle choices. Just imagine, only imagine what it feels like to go to that perfect place now. That's good. And now I'd like you to just let go of any negative feelings, images, thoughts, emotions, sensations that you've held on to, if it's this last week, this last month, this last year. Particularly anything that's causing this tension and this band of pain around your jaw and your head. Just imagine what it feels like now for all that pain, that tension, that anxiety, that hurt, just to be free and just free out from every part of your body and move up through your body and flow out through the top of your head like there's a big valve opening up and it's being sucked away into the universe by a warm, bright light of sunlight. Just feel how it feels now for all of that tension and pain and anxiety just to flow away into the universe now. That's it. Just imagine, only imagine now that tension, that pain, that hurt, just coming free and flowing up through your body and up through your neck and out the top of your head. Just sucked away, dragged away, pulled away into the universe and gone forever. That's it. That's it. You're doing great. Just let it go. That's it. Now just imagine, only imagine, all that tension in your shoulders and your neck and in your jaw, your head. Just imagine all of that just floating away, just being sucked up, being dragged and pulled away by this beam of light into the universe, leaving you feeling free and relaxed, free from anxiety and this tension. Just let it go. That's it. That's it. That's it. Just feel that tension and that urge to grind your teeth just floating away, off into the universe and gone. That's it. And when you've done enough and you know that you've done enough for now, just open your eyes and feel absolutely fabulous. Just take your time. Hi. Anything come up there?
Nothing really, images or thoughts, more feelings and just the sense of releasing. Yeah. Yeah. And I could feel things start to relax more. Yeah.
Yeah, and that's that kind of coming out of your. Oh, that's good that it's beginning to. We're getting a release and it's beginning to just come away a bit further. Oh, that's good. Good.
Very aware of my heartbeat.
Uh-huh. Okay. Okay. So what I'd like you to do now is can you see my thumb okay there?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Just take a deep breath in and just as my thumb goes down, just allow your eyes to close. Just exhale and go deeper, deeper down into your hypnosis now. Back into your hypnosis. Deeper, deeper down than you've ever gone before. Back down to that mystical place, that magical place, that place that's perfect for you to make positive lifestyle changes. Just go deeper down, down, down. And with every breath you exhale from the rest of our time together, just go deeper and deeper into your hypnosis. And with every breath you exhale and with every heartbeat, just go deeper and deeper into your hypnosis to that perfect place where you can make positive, perfect lifestyle changes. With every beat of your heart and every breath you exhale, just know that you are safe and calm and relaxed here. You can listen to the sound of my voice and just follow my voice. And you don't need to think about anything else. You can just relax and let go. That's good. Now I just want to talk directly to your subconscious mind, your unconscious mind, and I'm asking that unconscious mind of yours just to find the part that's been causing this problem. When it has a sense of this part, your subconscious can indicate by just nodding your head. That's good. Thank you. I'd like to thank that part. Now I'm talking to a different part of your unconscious mind. I'm talking to the creative part, the problem-solving part of your powerful unconscious mind. And I'm asking that part for one new, healthy way to fulfill that same positive intention, but without the old behaviour. But I do not want you to know what that new way is now going to be. Just that to know that there is a new way, and when you have a sense of it, your unconscious can indicate by just gently nodding your head. I'd like to thank that part. And now I'm asking for a second new way to fulfill the same positive intention without the old behaviour. A new way to help you live without teeth grinding and to be without the headaches. And again, I do not want you to know what that new way is now going to be. Just have a sense of there being a new way. And when you have a sense of that, your unconscious mind can indicate by nodding your head. That's great. I'd like to thank that part. And now just checking with that powerful unconscious, subconscious mind of yours. Is there any objection to these new ways, replacing the old ways in every way? If there is any objection, you can indicate by nodding your head. Otherwise, just stay still and calm as you are just now. I'd like to thank those parts. I'd like to thank those parts as you integrate these new ways, replacing the old ways in every way, into every part of your mind and body and being. Thank those parts. Just take a deep breath. As you exhale, just go deeper down, down, down into your hypnosis as it gets stronger and stronger, and you go to that place where you can make positive, perfect lifestyle choices. And I'd like you just to imagine with that powerful imagination of yours that you're just drifting up out of your body, just up higher into the air, and just leaving your body in the chair and just drifting higher and higher. Just imagine looking down, and in your mind's eye, you can see yourself sitting in that chair in the kitchen, and you just drift higher and higher, high out of the way, out of your body and up into the air. And as you look down in your mind's eye, you can see a target, like an archery target, way down below you. This massive big target. Just picture it in your mind's eye, with all the bands and the colours and a bullseye at the centre of it. Now, in the very centre of that bullseye is this pain that you've been experiencing, this teeth grinding and the headaches, this band round your head. Just Imagine them there, right in the very centre of that bullseye, the target. And in a moment, I'm going to make this sound. And you'll be fired, shot like an arrow, right through the centre of that target and into a space beyond of total bliss. I need you to be brave, because as you pass through the target, you will experience the pain even more intensely, just for a moment, a millisecond, but be brave. This is the last time this useless, unnecessary pain will ever affect you. So be brave, get ready. And now you're through the target, just drifting in a space of total bliss. Nothing bothers or affects you, nothing disturbs you, just drifting in a sea of bliss. That's it. That's great. And now I'd just like to drift over to the other side of the room and see yourself from the other side of the room, sitting in your chair. You can see the clothes that you're wearing. You can hear my voice. You notice as you watch that every ounce of that useless pain and tension has gone from your body. You cannot feel it. You cannot experience it. The harder you try and remember what it felt like, the further away it goes. And now I would like your unconscious, subconscious mind to make the changes at a molecular, cellular, atomic level that will enable you to have complete freedom from this useless, unnecessary pain forever. So go ahead, and only when the unconscious mind has made the changes at a molecular, cellular, atomic level, that you'll be able to have complete freedom from this useless, unnecessary pain forever. And only then will you drift back over to your body and drop down into your body in that chair, unable to experience any of this useless, unnecessary pain ever again. Go ahead and take your time, just do it thoroughly. That's it. That's great. You're doing great. Okay. When you're ready and you know that you're ready and that you've done enough for now, just open your eyes and come back and feeling absolutely wonderful.
Thank you.
Hi there.
Hi.
Good. So where is that? Is that pain? Is that tension? Is it gone?
Yeah, it definitely felt like it was dropping away.
Yeah, good. Can you find it at all?
No.
Good. That's it.
No.
Just try and find it. Good. I'm glad about that. Okay then. Good. So now what I'd like to do is just take a deep breath. Let's take a deep breath in. Again, just follow my thumb. And as my thumb passes in front of your eyes, just close your eyes as they get heavier and heavier. Just go deeper back down into your hypnosis. That's it. Just take a deep breath in. And as you exhale, just go deeper, deeper down into your hypnosis. With every breath and every heartbeat, just go deeper and more profoundly into your hypnosis. Just go down, down, down. Find that place, that mystical place, that magical place where all positive, perfect lifestyle change can happen. And just go back to that place and just find a time when you were younger and you're with people that are most important to you. Those people that you love, that you know you're loved by them, and just see their faces and see their eyes and just look into their eyes and just feel that love that you have for them and the love that they have for you. Just hear their voices and hear their laughter as you're enjoying a good time together, a time when you're all happy and confident and relaxed. Just feel that feeling as it fills your whole body, that joy and love and happiness from the top of your head to the tips of your toes, all along your fingers and your arms, throughout your body, just filling up and filling up. It's growing stronger and stronger. And just feel all that joy and love and happiness and confidence. Every fibre of your body, every molecule, every muscle, every atom, just filling up with that joy and love and happiness. All the way from the top of your head to the tips of your toes, to the tips of your fingers. This joy and happiness just filling you up, it's bursting out of you, through every fibre of your body. And every time you see the colours, red, blue, green, yellow, black, pink, brown or white, or see the loved ones, or look at yourself in the mirror, you just feel this surge and joy of happiness, warmth and contentment and love just fill your body. It's every time you see the colours, red, blue, green, yellow, black, pink, brown or white, all this joy and love will fill your body. Any time that you look in the mirror or see your loved ones, you'll just feel this feeling. And it will just make you feel wonderful and calm and content. Just imagine yourself tomorrow with this feeling of love and happiness and contentment. Just imagine yourself next week, loved and content and happy. Imagine yourself next month, calm and relaxed and happy. Imagine yourself next year, full of love and happiness and warmth. What is it that you notice about yourself that tells you that all is well? What do you like best about yourself as you travel to work and go about your business? Is it the way that you stand? Is it the way that you look? Is it the way that you feel as you feel all this tension that has gone from you forever? This tension that caused your jaw to clench and grind has gone forever. Just float into that picture of your future self and see through your own eyes and hear through your own ears and just feel how it feels to be rid of that problem that's gone forever now. Just feel how it feels to just sit, listen and relax. If you sit here listening to the sound of my voice, your mind can wander and your mind can remember every positive thought that you've ever had about yourself. Just feel that filling up your body. Soon there'll be time to follow my voice back into normal waking consciousness. In a moment, I'm going to count from 1 to 10, and with each increasing number, you become just 1/10 more alert. So at by number 9, you're just opening your eyes, and by number 10, you're back in the room, feeling loved and warm and happy and on top of the world. 1, 2, feeling fantastic. 3, feeling that love. 4, free of the tension. 5, No more teeth grinding. 6, 7, 8, just beginning to stir. 9, eyes opening. And 10, feeling fantastic.
Oh. Thank you.
Hi there.
Hi. That was good. Yeah. I saw my granny.
So your granny. Oh, wonderful.
Sounds nice. Yeah. Mm.
Yeah, that is nice.
Yeah, you did very well.
Good. Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
How's it? How are you feeling?
Good. Yeah, very relaxed. Yeah. Yeah. And I got nice images of sort of me smiling, relaxed, other people smiling back at me. Yeah. Yeah. Good.
Good.
Mm.
Excellent.